Hey, today we are going to make the flying butterfly.
Creative students.
Channel for art and craft and students all-round development.
So first we require the Rangila tempera colors. Then we need fevicol MR, scissors, and the felt pen. We would require some quilling strips that are fat enough, 2 centimeters and 3 centimeters. So I have used 2 of these and I've cut out a small piece, the green color. And I've also taken a thick card paper. Okay, this is the card paper. This is quite thick. You see, this is a little wobbly, but this is quite thick. So we require 1 thick paper. Okay, I've used the golden one. I'll keep it aside. Then we require some glitter. So I have put it in a box. I'll just open. So we have the gold dust with us. So should not smear it all over the place. I've put it in a box. Then we require brushes. I'll keep it aside. White paper and the design sheet. Okay, so let's get started. I have already traced the design on to my white sheet. So here is how my butterfly looks like. Colors in it. So first off, I will start with the vibrant yellow, just like the butterfly, and I will start painting it. So this yellow color. So the next step is to create this beautiful glittery jittery effect. So what I will do is I will take fevicol MR, okay? You may get a small one in the market, you can use that as well, or any fevicol MR that you have which has this nozzle, okay? So with the nozzle, we are going to create the lines, okay? I'm directly going to start. So from here, a thin line, okay? A thin line with fevicol MR, and here on my orange. So you can cover the entire butterfly with glitter if you want, only the outlines with glitter, not the entire butterfly. Okay, so here I'm going to begin. As you see, I have covered the entire area with fevicol MR. Now this is the fun part. I'm just going to drop in the glitter, just like this. We will go little by little, and I will just shake the paper like this, and wherever you feel that the glitter has not reached, we just sprinkle a little from top. Big and small, we don't want the glitter to make our entire house dirty. So sit with a newspaper when you're doing this, kids especially, because you're going to cause some trouble to mommy, and mommy has to clear the entire space. Okay, and whatever's remaining, whatever's excess, we just put it off, we just dust it off, and here, voila, we're ready. So you see, it happened so fast and so beautifully. So while this portion is drying, we will take the felt pen and just outline the butterfly. Okay, now our next step is to cut it out with the help of the scissors. Here, which we have made. So here, we have the cute butterfly ready. So the next step that we need to do is to fold the butterfly into half, okay? Be careful. In order to understand if you're folding it half to half, just keep these antlers of the butterfly and the wings, see to it they are in symmetrical. And you just press it, okay? And then we are going to make a fan fold. So just press it here, and then we fold it out again just like this. Here, we have fan folded it. And we are going to do the same thing on the other side. We are just going to fan fold it, okay? Keep in mind, fan folding it. So here, this is ready. So we have something like this. Then we just open it for now. And we are going to make a slit here. So I am just going to take a pencil. And I'll just get my cutter. Just give me a second. So what I will do is, I will take this portion over here. Okay? And I have to mark this part, okay? So I will keep this in the center, and with a pen I will just mark this portion here. so that I know that this much is the distance that I require for cutting. So again, I will just push my cutter from this side. So kids, you need to take help of your parents while doing this because the cutter is quite sharp. Do not hurt yourself while using the cutter, or else you can just take the scissor and just cut off this much portion. Okay, then you're going to take the golden strip and just slide it in. It just fits in perfectly. So the strip has gone in. So our next step is to see that the golden strip does not move, and for that reason we are just going to stick it with fevicol MR. So the reason why we made the fan fold is so that, you know, this strip of paper just stays in one place and it does not move. So while this is drying, I just hold it just like this and let it dry. Okay, then we need to take a small strip of paper just like this and just put it around the strip. It has to be loose, it doesn't have to be tight. Okay, it just has to be loose enough so that it moves easily and you can cut off the extras. So again, I'm just going to apply fevicol MR and just fold it over and just stick it. So I'm just going to let it dry. So I'm assuming this has already been dried. So we'll take these two strips that we have. So this does not have to be of definite size. As long as you can hold it, it's good to go. Okay, so we don't have any definite measurements for it. So I'll just slide in my one strip from this end and the other strip from this end. So now I know that I want my strip to come and end here. Okay, at this end of the butterfly, not popping out, but it has to be near it. So I'll just add one drop of fevicol MR and place it over. Okay, then I'll do the same for the other side. So I will just fold this for the moment. It gets a little wobbly, so see to it that you don't shake it a lot. This is drying. Okay, so I'll just gently take this, not fold it. Okay, just see the outermost area and just take this. So you need to hold it for like 5 minutes and all of it is going to dry, and you have to see it doesn't move from its actual position. So once this dries off, I will keep this for drying, let it dry nicely. We will jump into the butterfly that is ready. So here you see the golden thing which we put has closed its flaps here, and then we stuck these two. So it stands like this and this moves freely, but when we are doing this mechanism, it provides a support. So you can just hold it here. The reason why we've used the card paper is so that it remains stiff. Okay, we will hold it here with our fingers and pull these two strips simultaneously to give that flying effect of the beautiful butterfly.
Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay connected with us by subscribing our channel. If you like the video, please do like and share. Don't forget to comment on the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.